Okay, so we are live. Good morning. Another London session. Let's see. Okay. Okay, and we are live. So good morning and welcome to another Tradehouse session. It's Thursday, 7th of February. I'm just going to jump on straight into sharing my screen. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at where we are so far. Okay. Okay. Okay, so someone just confirm to me, please, that you can see my screen. Just drop something in the chat box. Okay, while I go on straight ahead. So our pairs are open, GJGU, EU, as said earlier yesterday. More downside expected until we get the midweek reversal. We seem to be just pushing into our ranges right now. So we're just about close and set to yeah, we're just about close and ready for those push offs. Okay. Okay, just get the video out of the way. Okay, so what do we have here? Let's see. Okay, let's find our trade ideas from yesterday. Okay, so we'll just go back to our ideas of yesterday. We'll keep it very short. If you have any questions, fill them into the chat box or unmute yourself and just ask away. Okay, so our zones. Let's start with EU. Okay, EU, we're pushing in right now into our final low points. Come London, just look out for the W's. Very likely it's Thursday. So we're having them in little bit. So very, 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 very likely it will happen during London and not New York. So the next 3 hours, 2 hours, 3 hours, just be on the lookout for rejections of this zone right here. So for clarity, I'm going to push this down. So I'm going to push this down. So we redefine our kill zone, right? So here's our kill zone, anywhere in this area. Anywhere in this area, keep your stops very, very, very tight. It's okay to get scratched a little bit and re-enter, and to be stuck in the trade and be bound emotionally. Okay, so what you want to do is look for your entry somewhere in there. Okay, not much has changed, except that there's the potential of having a second drop. So it's very unlikely we'll go all the way down, and I'd rather you don't put your SL so wide. Instead, cut a small loss, come right back in. So if you would, here's our trade setup. So this to push all the way down, anywhere in this region on the start of London, just take a bite. So you could take a bite right now if you're conservative, or you could just wait it out and see what London gives us. Maybe another push down, or maybe this is your entry. So anywhere in this region currently, you want to go in, you could go in now, or you could just wait out for London, see how it goes. Maybe if you pull it up, wait for the pullback and then find your entry, or just wait it out, because this could still go a little bit down to induce some more sellers. Overall bias going on today is to the upside. So upside movement expected, upside movement expected in all NST and very likely to happen. Okay, so let's see. All right, what's going on? Okay, GJ very similar, GU very similar. What are zones? Not sure why they aren't showing here, so let me just jump into the trade ideas from yesterday. We pick up from where we left. Either scenario, we're all in our zones. So we set. Long remains the bias. I'll update EU. GU, let's just take a quick look at GU and see what's up. Okay. Okay. So those are two potential entries, two potential trade setups. I'll say go with the first. All right. So publish that. Okay, we'll go on to find some more reasons on this pair why we're going in long. Well, it's pretty straightforward. Midweek, expect a change in shift in trend. It's bound to happen. Hope to bag 50 plus pips. Just bag as much as you can bag, right, with the tide and have fun. All right, next up would be GU. Real quick, just to follow through on GU. Again, we have our up moves based on our previous analysis. We should be right on the mark for one of them. GU should be playing out nice. Okay, so we could shy off and run from here. I'd say just wait it out. EU is at a nicer position for entries. I'd say wait it out. Wait for this to still pull back down. Yes, it's possible you could have your run from here. If you want to go on and risk anything here, then that's on you. I'd say just stay out of markets on GU. Just wait it out. Wait it out. Just wait it out. Okay? So let's see GJ. Let's see GJ. Let's see GJ. Let's see GJ. Let's see how far we've come or not come. Okay? So again, we're still below our mid-read. Yes, we could take off from here considering the red line, considering that we have this line right here, which is support, which could be broken. So again, following this channel, we're expecting it, anticipating it's going to come down to test here. So again, hang tight on these trades. Hang tight on these trades. Okay? Hang tight on these trades. Okay, just made an update there. Okay, so GJ updated. GEU, I made a new post, so you want to wait this out. You want this to come all the way down to our Q zone. Then go long. So wait to see what London presents. We hold this position and start on London, and we give ourselves a clear double bottom, meaning we get some wicks and some tails. Go in, small term, keep risk. If you get bonds, take a deep breath and just wait for the next Q zone and come right back in. All right? So don't try to hold. If you go in here, don't try to hold it. Just take a deep breath, cut the small loss. Again, you could either go in now or just wait for London to start. So you might be seeing this happening now. Anything can happen. So just hold on for London, I'd say, and see what happens there. Okay, so EU trade idea published. Yep. So EU trade idea published. GU GU, what are we on GU? Pretty much same thing. Okay. GU, same thing. We're just waiting it out, waiting it out, waiting it out. All right. So again, waiting it out. Patience is key. Patience is key. Sorry about that. Okay, so we'll call it a wrap here. Any questions, throw them in the chat box. If not, you know where to find me. I believe you're all subscribed here, so follow this and see how that really leads. All right, so okay, so we're good for today. Again, 15-minute, 5-minute time frame. Expect this to be tested or broken, and then find the double bottom there, right? So this is what you're looking out for short term, or basically on your small entries. Wait for this to push into our zones. Wait for this to push into our zones. Again, refer to the marked up charts. Wait for a double bottom. That's what you're waiting for. Wait for a double bottom. Wait for a double bottom. So wait it out. Wait it out. Okay? 60 minutes. Let's go up into the bigger time frames. Yeah, just wait it out. Wait it out. Wait it out. Worst case scenario is we're going to fly from here. So this, just for you, if you're worried, this is how you can also approach this. Okay, let me drop some nuggets before it. Okay. See this? See this? See that? Okay, so wait it out. Expect a low to induce this pattern. In our group, if you observe, someone has just showed us a nice bullish continuation pattern. Well, here's one that appears to be bearish. So believe me, a lot of people are seeing this, waiting for the breakout. They have sell stops here, they have sell stops here. Very likely the market is going to go down. If there's enough money hanging there, they will drive it down to the sellers for spiking all the way up. Could do this, they could run from here. If there's too much money, they would lose. Well, I'll leave it at that. All right, so they're seeing what we're not seeing. So we simply need to see what they see and what they do after they see what they are privileged to see. All right, so that's your setup. Alternate move would be if we had something like this. Would be if we had something like this. This. And then the move up. All right. Okay. Green up moves, red down moves. Okay. Yeah, I think this would be our color code from now on. Okay. So here are two more scenarios for the up movement on GJ. Okay. Two more scenarios for the up movement on GJ. I'm just going to publish it. Sheesh. I have a trip to catch. I'm wait. Okay, let's just do this. Okay, so I just like to do this live so I've seen the thoughts behind it. All right, it's a wrap. I'll call it quits for here. Yeah, keep the questions coming if any. You know where to post them. Okay, so that'll be that for this. Just watch it out, watch it out, watch it out. Observe, observe, observe. Okay, again, similar moves here. London open. We that spike up from here in the next 15 minutes. Or just expect the stop ons to fake the breakout here. And then expect the rally up. All right. So take a cue from GJ. That's the analysis. Okay, Euro USD in the kill zone still. So let's wait it out until London opens. All right, have a good day, guys.